In our hallway, we have this one light right here. Um, in our laundromat area, there's a light that looks similar to that. But our issue is down this hallway, there's no light. And I would like to extend the light over here. So what I plan on doing is installing recessed lighting here and replace this light as well with a recessed light. So this kit comes with the recessed light that's LED and this little terminal, I guess this box where you attach the power to, and this template to help you cut the circle. So this is where I plan to put the recessed lighting, and I'll use this metal wire to poke a hole in the drywall so when I go in the attic I can make sure there's no 2x4s interfering with this circle. So I killed the power and I removed this dome light so I can get a look at what's going on. Now I need to go in the attic and remove it. I've never done this before, so I'm trying to figure out exactly how to remove this metal can light holder, whatever its real name is. So I'm just trying to figure that part out. So I figured it out. Underneath this bar there's a screw. You can see it right there. So basically I just need to unscrew it from both sides and then I can remove that bar. Now that I have the light out, you can see the hole. So now I just need to use that template, trace out the hole and cut it. So I already traced out the hole. Now I'm just using this drywall knife to cut around this hole. So I'm wearing that mask because of COVID. Not really. I'm wearing that mask because of the insulation in the attic. I hate breathing all that dust and having all that stuff on my skin. So that's why I wear the long sleeve as well. But let's get this circle done. So I attached that little box to the power to get this LED section ready. And on this other end, I have to extend the electrical wire all the way over here to attach that LED box, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm screwing on this recessed light. It kind of just like, it's made to kind of go in at one angle and then you screw it on to keep it from sliding apart. And they have those little orange clips that you see on the light to like spring action to hold it, keep it firm in the circle. Kind of works out alright. Now I just repeat those same steps over here on the other side. And here's the finished product. It actually looks pretty good. It has a cleaner look other than that dome light, the way it looks. Now we actually have light now and down the hallway. Looks a lot better. So do you prefer the dome light or the sleek LED flat look?